If you want to go ahead and manage out your workspace and manage out content, then what you can do is use a tool called Notion. So to access Notion on a web browser of your choice, you can simply type in notion.com and access this particular site right here. So once you go ahead and do that, what you need to do is sign up and then sign into the account. So to do that, you simply need to click on Get Notion Free right here, just like this. And what happens is that it will give you an option to sign up with your email address. So what you can also do is you can create a Notion account using one of your social accounts right here as well. So let me just go ahead and do that and choose my Google account right here, just like this. And then I'm going to say, let's say, for example, this is for school right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on create. And let's say I want to use Notion on my own, or you can also choose others for collaborative work. Right now, to get started, I'm going to choose on my own. So I'm going to say planner, notes, lesson plans, and let's say I want everything right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue on what I want to choose right here, just like this, to get started. So you can see that it says getting ready right here, and it is preparing your dashboard for you. So you can see that it is loading right here, and you need to go ahead and wait for a while. And now you can see that Notion is here, just like this. So over here, you can see that I have this dashboard right here, and I'm signed in onto it, and you can see my name right here. So now if I were to go ahead and log out right here, just like this, then this is what you have right here. So you can simply go ahead and log out. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and click on login right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, choose your Google account again, because you have already created your account. So you can go ahead and choose right here and log in right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then log in, create your account inside of Notion, and then log in as you like as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.